How to fix TikTok creator tools not showing. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix TikTok creator tools not showing. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch TikTok app on the device. Make sure to log into your account. Proceed towards profile at bottom right corner of the screen. Tap three-line icon at top right corner and choose Settings and Privacy option. Scroll down. Now locate Free of Space option and select that on the Cash and Cellular section. From here, you need to choose Clear button next to Cash and then tap on Clear button to confirm. Once done, you need to do the same for downloads. So you have to tap Clear and then tap Clear again. Now you have to return to check whether the Creator Tools is now visible or not. So it is still not there. So what you can do is simply you need to head towards Setting and Privacy and then scroll down to report a problem. Now from the topic section you have to choose Creator Tools and then you can tap between analytics or location. Choose other option. So here's some solution given that says can't find the problem you encounter. You can tap the need more help button below to give us details and screenshots of the problem. You have to choose need more help and now you can simply add a message here that TikTok Creator Tools is not showing help me to fix it and tap the arrow to save. And now choose any of this question here and then you will get particular answer from there. You can fix TikTok creator tools not showing. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.